Children, how are you? I think you are in safe zone. Okay. Now we have to learn about our science lesson. First lesson, human body. Human body. That is, we have to learn today about the lesson. Human body is, you are well known. Our body is total, how to work, how to do the works, how many parts are there, that internal or external. Do you know very well in the last year, the third class, how many body parts, what are the external, what are the internal, what are the sense organs, what are the to do work, how can we protect ourselves. Do you know very well? In our human body, like a very beautiful, wonderful creature of nature. That is the wonderful creation of nature. That human body has so many parts, that is we can see out of the body, that is external organs. And what are the inside the organs are called internal organs. Now we have to learn about our lesson is that human body. That is our like a machine. Our body is like a machine. Like we have to do everywhere. We have to see so many types of different kinds of machines, like washing machine, like fridge, TV, computer, whatever there in our home, we have to use to daily lives. They have so many different types of kinds of parts. That like only our body have different kinds of body parts that we can see out of the body, that we can see inside of the body. Now we have thoroughly learned about that how can body functions. Now see human body. Our body is like a machine. What is that? Our body is like a machine. All machines are made up of smaller parts. Yes, our all machines are made up of smaller parts. Like our body also mixed with the joint together all small parts. That our body made up of many parts. Our body made up of many parts. How many parts? Many parts. The human body is like all the living things is made up of cells. The human body is made up of body, like all living things. It is made up of cells. This is looking like this. This is what is that? Cells. Without cells we can't made of any organ, any system, any part. That is the first thing. What is that? Cell. Cell, how can the form? The human body, like all the living things, is made up of cells. Next, a group of similar cells join together to form a tissue. What is that? A group of, this one cell. The group of cells. What is that? Group of. And just like 10, 20, like that. The group of cells, similar cells join together to form a tissue. What is that? A tissue. A group of cells join together form a tissue. And next, that the cells of tissue work together to perform a specific function. What is the cells doing? The cells of tissues, the made of group of cells made a tissue. A tissue and cells group work together to perform a specific function. What the cells and tissues are doing? Yes, the group of similar cells join together to form a tissue. And that cells and tissues are work together to form a specific function. That next, the similar tissues. What is that? This is called tissue in our body. That similar tissue join together form an organ. Join together form an organ. This is called organ. First one, it is made up of all living things have cells. Cells and join together, a group of cells join together form a tissue. What is that? Cells, a group of cells join together form a tissue. And that cells and tissues form a specific function. And next one is what is that? The similar tissues. That the similar tissues together form an organ. What is that? An organ. What organ means? What the functions we have to do. So many organs are there in our body. Form one organ. How can that form a organ? That is cell similar group of cells begin to tissue. Tissues and cells form a specific function, and the specific function to put together form an organ, and that organ system will do their specific function. Each organ performs a specific function. What is that in this class? That each organ performs specific function. One more time I can say explain. Our body is a like machine. All machines are made up of smaller parts. Our body made up of many parts. The human body like all the living things is made up of cells. This is called cells. And that a group of similar cells joined together form a tissue. And cells and tissues work together to form a specific function. And then most one, the similar tissues joined together form an organ. That organ will do their function. That is, each organ performs specific function. Each organ forms a specific function. See, cells, tissues to make perform specific their functions. And next is that organs works to a group of form an organ system. What is that? Organs work together as a group to form a organ system. This is called organ system. What is that? That organs work together as a group to form a organ system. As a group of form a organ system. Cells, group of cells together form a tissue, and cells and tissues together form a organ, and organs works to as a group of organ system. This is called organ system. And next one, the organs of an organ system work together to perform some major functions like that. The certain organ group made a group of organ system. That certain organs, that organs work together as a group of to form an organ system. One organ system like this is that located in digestive system. Digestive system. What we food take into the stomach that do the digestion, the wastage parts to send outside through that outer that organs. This is one of the example of organs system. This type of so many organ systems are there in our body. And next one, the cells form to tissues. Tissues and cells form to organs. Organs, cells, tissues, organs form to organ system. Organ system, cells, tissues, organ and organ systems make a organism like a human baby, human body. Organ system. One more time I will explain to you. Organs work together as a group of form an organ system. The organs of an organ system work together perform some major functions like digestive system, skeletal system, nervous system, muscular system. These are the some organ systems are in our body. And breathing, that is the one of the another part. This is we have to learn about these type of organs. See, I will show one more the picture to you. This is the cells. Cells, tissues, organs, organ system and organism. These are the even major part of our body will doing performs very well. These are the